Hi guys, today I am sharing a very exciting video with you. I am unboxing what I consider to be my very first PR package. So this is probably going to be a video that I'm going to remember for the rest of my life. I'm just going to share a short background on the brand and the history, and if you're interested in skipping that and just to see what's in the box, I'll put some timestamps in there. I'm going to show you the products that I received. It's mostly eye makeup based products. And then I will do some swatches on all the products that I received in this box. So this box contains some eyeshadows and stuff that I received from Jan Benham's Cosmetics Purèz. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I recently started making a lot of my own cosmetics and eyeshadows and lipsticks and a whole bunch of makeup products and some lotions and things. And this is the supplier that I'm using's makeup branch. So they make their own cosmetics as well. I think they are based in the Netherlands, and their products are all natural products. On their website, I think it's Aroma Shop or aromashopper.com or something like that. I'll link it in the description box. They do have different services and products that you can purchase from them. They do have natural skincare education courses and a whole lot of essential ingredients that you need for creating aromatherapy products and natural skincare cosmetics. I've had a very positive experience with purchasing their ingredients before, so I'm very excited to start just trying out their cosmetic products and doing swatches and just see what the quality is like for that. It's the first time I'm opening the box. I didn't even open it yet, so just give me a second. Okay, let's see what we have. That's what the package looks like. I just removed the box because it's in the way. Alright, just ripped it open. I'm very excited to see what's inside. So, it came with a beautiful card. It just shows the brand. With some information on the back. Oh, and another pretty card. I will read all these later. And then just some information on the natural cosmetics. Okay, I'm going to open this up, but I'm going to edit out the audio because it's going to be a bit noisy. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow pan that you put it's a magnetic pan that you put the single eyeshadows in. I'm just going to pop them in there quickly, and then I will be back with a pan filled with the 6 eyeshadow colors. Okay, so that's what it looks like now. We have the 6 colors. It's the brown, the peach, the gold, the silver, the purple, and the pink. I'll do the swatches for them now. Let me just show you what they look like up close. It's very pretty. And then I have the 2 pencils. This one is a K-gel pencil. So let's just see. Oh, that's a nice brown, like an eyeshadow pencil, I guess. Oh, that's pretty. And then this is a satin eyeliner. Let me just show you there. Ah, it's just like a black eyeliner. Let me do the swatches of these 2 for you quickly. Okay, so it's a very sheer eyeliner. Just gonna do a few layers. Oh, frick. So that's what it looks like up close. Okay, let's see how this one looks. Just a thin line first. And then I'm just going to layer it a few times. I think this one could make a nice one and done eyeshadow pencil. I'll do a short with that at some stage. Okay, so let's swatch these. I'm going to do the top 3 first and then the bottom 3. It's the brown. Oh, they feel nice and soft. Gold and purple. That's what they look like on the finger. Okay, so it's the brown. Ooh. The gold. Took a bit much there. Oh, that's a beautiful swatch though. And the purple. I felt like the purple was a bit harder in the pan. So I'm just taking a bit more. That's what they look like. It's very pretty. Okay, then it's the peach, the silver, and the pink. That's what they look like. And there's the peach. It's got a very pretty fine sparkle in there. I think I bumped some of the silver on there. There's the silver. Oh, it's a very icy white sparkly shade. And the pink. There we have the pink one. Oh, that's a nice soft color. And there we have all the shades. Okay, so there we have it all. I think they swatched beautifully. These colors are very soft, and I think the quality will probably be very good. I didn't have any difficulty with the swatches. The purple one feels a bit more hard pressed, but that's actually very good because you can then maybe use it as a purple eyeliner and just get it a bit darker. And this peachy one has a very nice soft sparkle to it that I really like. So yeah, just keep an eye out on my channel if you want to see the looks that I create with this. As I said, it's a natural product. They don't use any weird chemicals. I haven't gone to the Purèz website before. I've only seen their products on the Aroma Shop website, but I'll link them both in the description box if you want to have a look, because as I said, they have all kinds of natural ingredients and essential oils, and their brand is all natural. So I think if you would like to support a European brand and really like natural products, then really give it a look. I think that these swatches were great. I will give it all a proper go and then just share more thoughts on how they apply. But as a first impression, I'm happy with it. I think it looks beautiful. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment in the description box. Do you like the swatches? Do you like the idea of these natural products? And are you interested in seeing the tutorials I do with them? And then I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye!